Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial goals is essential for ensuring they remain aligned with your evolving life circumstances and aspirations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you maintain a proactive approach to your financial planning. 1. Schedule regular reviews. Annual check-ins. Make it a habit to review your financial goals at least once a year. This could coincide with the start of a new calendar year or a significant life event. Quarterly updates. For more granular tracking, consider quarterly reviews, especially if your financial situation is rapidly changing or if you're making significant financial decisions. 2. Assess your current situation. Evaluate progress. Track your progress towards your existing goals. Are you on track to meet your savings targets, reduce debt, or achieve other financial milestones? Review income and expenses. Analyze your income and expenses to identify any changes that may affect your financial goals. This includes job changes, salary increases, or unexpected expenses. Reassess your priorities. Life changes. Consider any major life events that may have occurred, such as marriage, birth of a child, job changes, or changes in health. These events can significantly impact your financial priorities. Shifting goals. Evaluate whether your long-term goals remain relevant. Do they still align with your current lifestyle and aspirations? If not, be prepared to adjust them. Adjust your goals as needed. Be flexible. Financial goals should be adaptable to changing circumstances. If you're falling behind on a goal, consider adjusting your savings rate or timeline. Set new goals. If your priorities have shifted, set new goals that reflect your current aspirations. This might involve setting aside funds for a down payment on a home, starting a college fund for your children, or planning for retirement. Seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about how to adjust your financial goals or need guidance on complex financial matters, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you create a comprehensive financial plan. Review your investment portfolio. If you have investments, regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. By following these steps and making regular adjustments to your financial goals, you can stay on track towards achieving your financial dreams and build a solid foundation for your future.